Ka Sorkar Jilla menta kasngi kala syemya karai ban betha ya baro ki kali Kamai ki badan haka jilla bakin pen bianglut nadong syadang ya ki jingtip ki bayadei bat ki kali Kamai hadu kinong nya bat kumta terter kenang banuan ra shu ya ka jing Shngaiñ ki pat ba Nongwankai haka jilla ya kene karai la syem haka jing yalang hapedeng usembut menteri rangba ka jilla bapet ya katena transport ba snyo balang dhar rengkat menteri katena tourism ke Sorkar jilla ba polengdo nalor ki officer jong ki te kitena
chaired by the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister in charge Transport, Masnyaulang Dhar, on a very important initiative that we have decided to undertake, which would help to further enhance the security and safety of all travelers within and to Meghalaya. And that is that with today's meeting, we will immediately issue wide publicity, a notice that will seek the compulsory compliance by all commercial vehicle owners, where they will have to mandatorily display all information about the driver of each commercial vehicle, including his license, his contact details, name and address. This information will help to minimize any possibility of criminal activities being committed using these commercial vehicles, and it will also upscale the sense of security amongst travelers, whether locals or travelers to Meghalaya. That anybody can board a commercial vehicle, and there is a sense of security when you know who is driving you around. This is what is being practiced in many cities across the world, and with the rise of footfall of visitors to Meghalaya, it will be another addition to the sense of security that travelers will have when we have such kind of a mechanism in our ecosystem. The state of Meghalaya, by commercial vehicles, I mean all kinds of vehicles which obtain the permit from the transport department through the respective DTOs, and for which transporting passengers is a means of livelihood for them. That is the definition of a commercial vehicle. It also means that it excludes privately owned vehicles, government owned vehicles, and vehicles owned by government corporations and undertakings.